So I'm here with Mike Fleming. The Inspiration Through Innovation event is happening here at SECO's headquarters in Ulster on October the 9th and October the 10th. If you've been to this event before, you'll know that it really has gained some traction over the years, but this year it's a little bit different in terms of its layout. Mike, for those that have been before or maybe haven't been, can you tell us about how the scene is set?
Yes, I mean, year on year the event's been getting more and more successful, but we're also very mindful that we don't want it to be the same as it was last year, that we keep innovating it, we keep understanding what our customers need and keep addressing those needs. So this year we're changing the layout, we're giving the focus on machining, so the 60 machines will be machining metal. And to do that we've had to give more space to the machines, so we've had to take the exhibition space out of the machining area and put it into a separate place. Still very connected to the machining, but allowing us easy access to the machines that we have running demonstrations. So we're turning over our production office to our exhibition space, and in order to facilitate that and to keep the connection with the machining, we're actually knocking walls down and building glass panels in order to give a connection between the two environments.
So this event is now in its 5th year,
yes,
and it has seen, or it does see, unprecedented numbers of people really. I mean, we're talking over 500, 600, was it even 800 last year?
It was 700 last year. We are hoping for 800 or plus this year. We're also mindful that we have some capacity, so we don't want numbers, we want quality. So it's about getting the quality into this event and having the right people here.
And with the way the layout is changing maybe slightly, because I know as well you're also you've knocked down some of your area in here where you used to sort of I don't want to call it a warehousing area, but you used to have there's some construction gone on there as well, isn't there?
Absolutely, yeah. So the warehouse area is where we bring in the additional machines. So there are 9 additional machining tools. A lot of them will go in the area, so we create another machining zone for us. So we had to turn that over, so we've moved stuff around and we're putting all our effort into this event.
You wouldn't be investing in this way if it really wasn't working. It is a real event that you must come along to and see. It is about partnerships.
Absolutely.
It's about taking a machine tool, taking a cutting tool strategy, and everything that goes around it, work holding, filtration, and actually coming out. I think one of the analogies that one of your colleagues mentioned to me earlier was about the fact that, you know, if you wanted to drill a 15mm hole, you go out and buy a 15mm drill. Well, you don't. That's not what you want, is it? You want a solution for making that hole rather than buying that drill.
We want to create the customer's environment at this event. So the issues the customer have, we want to create them and offer solutions, and how we can work together in partnership in order to resolve those common issues that we keep hearing. You know, and the current issues like, you know, capacity, productivity, getting more out of your existing machine tools, because we are in quite a buoyant market at the moment. So how do we get much more capacity out of the existing machine tools will be one of the subjects that we will cover.
Loads to see, October the 9th and October the 10th. You might just think about coming here for one day, but actually there's enough to come here for 2. Put it in your diary here at SECO's HQ in Ulster.